This is Virginia Richards in ATM 101 for spring semester. My weather station is located at Nash Street, which is west of UAF. My weather observations are over March 25th to March 29th of 2013. My weather temperature observations paralleled that of the National Weather Station, which for Fairbanks is located at the airport. In the beginning of the week, the temperatures hovered around the single digits, but by the middle of the week, the temperatures at night were as low as negative 30s, and from there, the temperature rose to above 40 degrees. These rise and drops in temperature can be related to warm Chinook winds coming from the surrounding mountains. As the temperature dropped, the barometric pressure rose, correlating with the stable temperature drop and then rise of the air temperatures. Here is the humidity over the week and the dew point. For Monday, March 25th, 2013, we had a cold wind coming from the west, pushing the clouds and warm fronts up. Over in Fairbanks, you can see the low pressure zones. For Tuesday, March 26, 2013, you can see that over the Fairbanks area, a cold front is pressing the warm front in over the mountains. In the south, the cold air is still pressing at the warm fronts. On Monday and Tuesday, there was winds felt in the Fairbanks area. I rated these winds at a level 1 or a level 2 based on the trees swaying around my weather station. On Wednesday, March 27th, the temperature dropped considerably at night into the negative 30s, but in the day it increasingly warmed up with the sun. The warm and cold fronts over here have turned into a stormy cyclone, with the cool air pressing the warm air down and up and away from the east. Low pressure is centered around the air mass. Now in the Fairbanks zone, it has become a high pressure. For Thursday, the low pressure cyclone has become a stagnant front. A warm front is being pressed up from the south. The temperatures had greatly increased on Thursday, up into the 30 degrees. For Friday, the cyclone has completely disappeared, and the temperature has dropped a little bit, ranging from the 20s at night to the 35s-ish in the day, with cumulonimbus clouds and a lot of sun. For the images of March 27th, you can see the cyclone up here and the occluded fronts. The warmest air has been pushed aloft, but there is still a front at the surface between the cold and moderate air. You can see that it has moderate cloud and weather changes, and the winds shift in a clockwise direction. The pressure falls, then rises steady, slow, and then goes into a slow fall. During this time period, you have a little temperature change. It has light and steady precipitation, if any. Here you can see examples of the precipitation, and you can see that these are cumulonimbus clouds, which are often associated with rain. And that is the end of my slideshow. Thank you.